To talk about the history of Mederi, one needs to go back to 1962, the year in which the Colombian Institute of Social Insurance, handled by the government, was managing the San Pedro Claver Clinic. As the years went on, a remarkable deterioration became apparent, with a damaged infrastructure and poor equipment conditions affecting the quality of service to patients. In this environment, half a century later, three prestigious institutions, Compensar, Universidad del Rosario, and Orden Hospitalaria San Juan de Dios, joined efforts, and on May 1st, 2008, Mederi was born. Today, Mederi lives in a constant state of transformation, focused on a culture of patient-centered service. Mederi is a hospital network with two sites located in the city of Bogotá, Colombia, Hospital Universitario Mayor and Hospital Universitario Barrios Unidos, with education and research purposes. For over 14 years, it has been working to provide comprehensive care. By offering services to the needs of its users through innovation, knowledge, and humanization in healthcare. With the same characteristic eloquence carried on since the birth of this dream called Mederi, we have evolved in each process with the same passion with which we perform our work, leaving our mark on the welfare and happiness of our users. These changes have strengthened and enhanced our spaces, adapting us to international standards of hospital care and comfort. We are constantly reinventing ourselves. We have an installed capacity that represents 6.5% of all hospital beds in Bogotá, Colombia. We have also been recognized as one of the best hospital buildings in Latin America. Equipped with the best technology, with good medical services, and more and better services that are friendly to the environment and climate change. We have reduced our carbon footprint by adapting the solar panel system for water heating at both sites. The transformation and innovation in the provision of health services at Mederi has allowed us to incorporate in each idea elements that lead to the respect and care for the environment. We work with a humanization model focused on respect, privacy, and dignity, which allows both the patient and their family a humanized attention that respects their rights and duties. We have created a virtuous circle to make this the best experience possible, and through it, leave a legacy of research and science with a conception of institutes that allow us to continue providing interdisciplinary care and excellence. Day by day, we continue this dream with the certainty that only by doing things with love, respect, and honesty can we contribute to the health and well-being of our society. We are Mederi.